Hello, how are you, my dear children? All are fine at home. Okay, today we are going to learn the second lesson from our second unit. It's a small poem written by D.J. Enright. It's a poem, The Rebel. It is The Rebel, R-E-B-E-L, Rebel. It's a poem going to say about some rebellic natured people. And I think all of you know that about some rebel people around you. What is a rebel? Yes, it is a person, and rebellism is a character, those who disagree in every matter, those who not going through with them in everything. That is the rebel, who used to say anything at any circumstances just opposite to the matter. That is the rebel. I think all of you know about some rebel character nature, otherwise some rebellism people around you, inside your friends, in the group, by playing outside or by sitting inside the class or going in a function like that. And anybody having this rebellion character? Just look at the poem, then we can identify whether we have this rebel character or not. Okay, so just take out your English textbook and go through the lines. The rebel. When everybody has a short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. And when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. And when everybody has a long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. And when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. While sitting inside the class or in a group or to doing some activities, whether it is a free time or a leisure time, anything like that, in a group, if suppose it is a group of 10 children, almost all the 9 children will say like that, okay, we can do this one and we can cut the paper. But the rebel children, the rebel natured children will say the just opposite to that. No, we don't want to cut that one. We can paste it like that. So that is a rebellism. And when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. And when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance. When in a silent mode, sometimes in a silent mode, all are praying. The prayer time, during the assembly time also, we can see some children are making unwantedly nuisance, unwantedly making sounds, isn't it? They are rebel people. And when we want a peace, a calm, a silent nature, unnecessarily they make nuisance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Fantastic means very beautiful, very neat. And whenever the teacher says them to wear color dress tomorrow, wear the fantastic clothes tomorrow, you can wear the dresses whatever you want tomorrow. What the rebel children will wear? Definitely they will wear. Which one? Yes, the uniform. And when punctuality, to keep up the punctuality, the teacher say, no, tomorrow you have to wear very neat and clean and tidy, wear correct uniform. The rebel children, definitely they doesn't agree. They give up the socks, the shoes, tie, belt, something like that. That is the rebellism. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. And the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Obviously, whatever the group says, they will say the just opposite to that opinion. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel marks on the need for a rain. If the weather is going throughout like the monsoon season, the rain will go on. Then the rebel and everybody, usual people will praise for the sunrise. Oh, if we get the sunlight, it will be more good for us. But what the rebel will say? Obviously, they will say the need of rain more. We want more and more rain, like that. And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. എല്ലാവരും അപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് മഴ വന്നല്ലോ, ഭയങ്കര ചൂടെടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് നല്ല മഴ കിട്ടിയല്ലോ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം The rebel regrets the absence of sun. ഓ സണ്ണില്ലല്ലോ സൂര്യനില്ലല്ലോ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് ഖേദിച്ചു കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. The regrets. Look at the spelling of regrets. REGRETS. Regrets means ഖേദിക്കുക, വിഷമിക്കുക. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഓർത്ത് വിഷമിക്കുന്നതാണ് റിഗ്രറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് soberly means SOBERLY. Soberly means പറഞ്ഞത് മുഷിഞ്ഞത്. That is soberly. So what will be the opposite of soberly? Soberlyയുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഫന്റാസ്റ്റിക് അല്ലേ? നല്ല മനോഹരമായത്, ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഓഫ് soberly. Regrets means regret, yes, ഖേദിക്കുക, വിഷമിക്കുക. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Obviously during this time, the corona season also, in the very worst conditions going around us, the parents will compulsorily say that children don't go outside to play with your friends. At least don't stand outside the balcony also. They won't agree. They want to play outside. They want to go out with the friends. They want to meet the friends outside like that. This is a rebellism. They don't want to agree with them. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. And when everybody says no thank you, what they will say? Yes, they will say yes please. So it is a very good that we have rebels, and we not find it very good to be one. And what does the poet says? The poet DJ Enright says as that in every person there will be a realism. It is a character, it is an inborn character. And positiveness and negativeness are inborn characters. But we have to suppress our negative character, this type of rebel character, rebellism, inside of our body only. Don't express outside. While you are sitting in the class, while you are mingling with the society or the other people, you don't say a word which shows the rebellism, or you don't say against a word which is the correct attitude of the society. So this is a very good poem, have to be done, we have to be properly do what the poet DJ Enright says to us. Okay, so all of you, very few words are difficult words are in this poem. Only two, regrets and soberly are the two difficult, and what the spellings I have to done, and you have to write these two words 5 times in the notebook, underline the words and read the poem thoroughly and take the techniques of your parent. We can meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.